In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this origami throwing star and frisbee. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to need is 8 squares of just regular paper. And I just want to take the time to point out now that this crease in here has nothing to do with this. It's just the fact that I made this from a regular piece of A4 paper, and so that it will have this diagonal line down it, but it has no bearing on the final model. So first of all, take your paper and fold it in half along a horizontal line in the center, and then bring it so that the open end is at the top. Now what you want to do is you want to take the bottom right half and bring it up in a triangle like that, so it lies along that side. Now what you're going to make on this fold is an inside reverse fold. So open up the paper, and it involves taking the center point and reversing it on the inside. So take this point and bring it up to the top vertically, and then take this point here and lay it down flat back like that. So from that, inside reversing that fold like that. Now all that's left to do is to open up the model, and on the other side to take each corner and fold it into the center point like that. And then you can just close back up the unit like that. This is one completed unit. You need to make 7 more. So now you've got your completed 8 units, and what you want to do is you want to take one unit and keep it in this orientation. So bottom point on the bottom and the open points here on the top. And what you want to do is you want to take another unit with the open points here, and you want to slot it into this unit like that, so that reducing this straight line here, so that just the triangle, you've just got this right angled triangle that's showing. And now with these sticking out points of the original unit, you want to fold them down and over into the second unit, which will keep it locked shut. And now what you want to do is you want to repeat this process around in a circle with the remaining units. So I'll take a third unit, place it in so that there's only a triangle remaining, and fold in the points of the second unit. And just keep completing this process. When you start getting near the end, it's going to seem like you're running out of space. So complete the 7th unit and then when you put in the 8th unit, complete it exactly as normal. But then you need to pick up this spiral, bend it down, and open up the points of the 8th unit and slide them around the 1st unit. Got it stuck. There we go. Slide it around the 1st unit like that, so that it fits neatly in. And then you just need to, as you did before, tuck in the points on the front and on the back. And you're finished. Now what makes this really cool is that if you take any 2 points, any 2 opposite points, and pull, the design starts to open. And you transform from this star shape into a frisbee. And it really works, it's really great. But then you can also, just by doing the reverse, and the reverse is more difficult, collapse the shape back to its original star. Which I find tricky the first time, but the model eases up after a while. But there you go. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks very much for watching.